Welcome, magical beings. Today we're diving into the magical world of jasmine, also known as jasminum. This beautiful flower has been cherished for centuries, not just for its incredible scent, but also for its powerful connection to love, beauty, dreams, and the moon. In this video, we'll explore the rich history of jasmine and witchcraft, its various uses in spells and rituals, and I'll even guide you through some magical spells you can try at home. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the history of jasmine and witchcraft. Originating from Persia, India, and China, jasmine has long been used in spiritual and magical practices. Ancient practitioners loved it for its intoxicating scent and its strong connection to the moon and the divine feminine. In many cultures, jasmine has been associated with goddesses of love, sensuality, and protection, making it a favored flower for rituals that seek to attract love, enhance psychic abilities, and bring positive energy into your life. In folklore, jasmine is also tied to night magic, dream work, and intuition. Since its flowers open in the evening, it's a powerful symbol of spiritual awakening and enlightenment, often used in love spells, protection, rituals, and divination practices. Now let's talk about the many ways you can use jasmine in your witchcraft practice. Jasmine is incredibly versatile, with magical properties that make it perfect for a wide range of rituals and spells. Here are some of the key uses of jasmine in witchcraft. First, jasmine is often used in love spells and rituals to attract romance, deepen relationships, or enhance personal charm. Its association with love and beauty makes it ideal for attracting new lovers or intensifying passion in a relationship. Place jasmine flowers or oil in sachets, use them in bath rituals, or anoint candles to draw love into your life. Burning jasmine incense during a love spell can amplify your intentions. Second, jasmine is closely tied to the realm of dreams and psychic vision. It's used to enhance lucid dreaming, encourage prophetic dreams, and unlock subconscious messages. Keep jasmine flowers under your pillow to promote vivid or prophetic dreams. You can also use jasmine essential oil in a diffuser before bed to enhance dream work and spiritual insight. Next, with its strong connection to the moon and the divine feminine, jasmine is perfect for moon rituals, especially during the full moon. It enhances intuitive abilities, psychic power, and your connection to lunar energy. Incorporate jasmine into rituals performed under the full moon to increase spiritual awareness. You can use it in offerings to moon deities or sprinkle it around your altar to boost your psychic power. Fourth, jasmine's soothing and calming properties make it ideal for spells focused on emotional healing. It's a great herb for reducing stress, sadness, or emotional turmoil. Burn jasmine incense or add the flowers to your bath rituals to release emotional blockages and invite peace. You can also make a jasmine tea to relax your mind and spirit. Fifth, although it's known for love and psychic work, jasmine is also a protective herb. Its sweet scent is believed to ward off negative energies and create a spiritual shield. Place jasmine flowers around your home or in protective sachets to keep harmful energies at bay. Burning jasmine incense in your space can purify the energy and protect against psychic attacks. Lastly, jasmine is a powerful aid in enhancing psychic abilities and intuition. It's often used by witches to boost their clairvoyance, divination skills, and spiritual insight. Add jasmine to divination tools like tarot decks or runes, or place it on your altar during meditation to sharpen your intuitive senses. Drinking jasmine tea before engaging in divination can also enhance psychic clarity. Our first spell will be a love attraction spell. To attract love or enhance romance, you will need jasmine flowers or essential oil, a pink or red candle, and rose petals. Carve your name or your desired partner's name into the candle. Anoint the candle with jasmine oil or sprinkle jasmine flowers around it. Light the candle and focus on your intention for attracting love. You can chant, "By flower and flame, love shall come near. Jasmine's scent draws all I hold dear. With heart open wide, love shall appear. By the power of jasmine, love is clear." Our second spell will be for prophetic dream and prophetic visions. This will encourage prophetic dreams and unlock subconscious messages. You will need jasmine flowers, lavender essential oil, and an amethyst crystal. Place the jasmine flowers and an amethyst crystal under your pillow. Dab a little lavender oil on your wrists before bed to enhance relaxation. Before sleeping, focus on the guidance you seek from your dreams. You can chant, "By jasmine's bloom, may dreams reveal prophetic visions, clear and real. Through moon's soft light, I seek to know hidden truths that dreams will show." Our third use of jasmine will be for a full moon psychic enhancement ritual to enhance psychic abilities and intuition. For this spell, you will need jasmine oil, a silver candle, and a bowl of water. Under the full moon, anoint the candle with jasmine oil and light it. Place the bowl of water nearby to reflect the moonlight. As the candle burns, meditate on your intuitive abilities and ask the moon to increase your psychic powers. You can chant, "By moon and bloom, my sight grows clear. Jasmine's power draws visions near. I see beyond with open mind. Moonlit wisdom now I find." Jasmine is an incredible herb with so many uses in witchcraft, from love spells to psychic enhancement. Its sweet scent and magical properties make it perfect for a wide range of spells and rituals. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more witchcraft tips and magical practices. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use jasmine in your spells. Until next time, blessed be.